let me tell you why I'm hyped right now. Because I did a protective style using Mielle Organics' new Kalahari Melon and Aloe Vera collection. I started off with their deep hydration shampoo. I washed my hair about 3 times just because I'm going into protective style mode, so I want to really make sure it's clean. Worked that through my hair. My hair still felt so soft afterwards, but also cleansed, and that's what we need, right? Next up, which is one of my faves, is their Deep Hydration 2-minute deep conditioner. Yes, 2 minutes. That's how long you keep it in. Rinse it out and then go to the next step. It is so hydrating, y'all. It really works through the hair, penetrates the hair to be able to really hydrate it, and I can detangle with no problem. My fave, okay? Now that it is all rinsed out, the hair is feeling good, I want to go to the next step, which is adding in their leave-in conditioner. Now this is my second fave, okay? The multitasking leave-in conditioner just comes in with smoothing the hair, hydrating the hair again. You are protective styling, your prep work matters so much. So the Mielle Organics Kalahari Melon and Aloe Vera collection is a perfect collection to use on your hair before you protect the style. Of course, you can use it any other time, but man, does it do what it used to do before you get braided up or twisted up. So the style that I wanted to try was mini twist with extension hair, and that's what we're going to attempt today. Yeah, no, I'm not a braider, but we're going to try. I really enjoy trying new styles, and that's what we're doing today. But parting, no. But I did do my best here and just tried to make the parts as straight as possible. This style just kept coming down my timeline, and I'm like, okay, I want to try it on out, and especially just being able to mix up my look. So we're gonna see how this goes and flows. So right now I'm parting the hair out in sections. So I initially put it in 4 sections, and then I worked in the front trying to see how many rows of braids that I will have to do, just so I can keep them as small as possible. And because I'm doing it myself, I'm not going too small because really don't want to be here all day. Okay, so we're just doing that right now in the front, and then we're going to do that same thing in the back. And I'm braiding it like this just so I can keep everything separated as I go along. Now that I have my initial parts ready, I went ahead and used Mielle Organics Kalahari Melon and Aloe Vera curl forming glaze to add shine, but also a nice hold to this hairstyle. Now first what I do is braid at the root, add in the hair in, and then I stop a certain way and add a 2-strand twist going all the way down. Now with this particular style, you want to make sure that you are adding another piece of extension hair to it, just so that it can be even going all the way down the hair. Because you will think like, oh no, it'll be good, but actually you will start seeing it kind of slimming down. But once you add that extra braiding hair, as you see me do right here, it will keep your twist uniform. So I'm adding it into the hair, and then I'm just going to twist. And as you see, I'm not putting too much in so that everything can stay even going all the way down. That's so important. I keep saying that, but it is important for this particular look. There are so many ways that you can start at the root of your hair. For me, I separate it in 3, and then I grab that extension hair and laid it straight across, adding it to my hair that's on the outer pieces. And then that middle piece is what's going to allow me to start creating that braid. I feel like this, because of my skill level with this particular style, this allowed the hair to be more secure than anything else I was trying at that time. So figure out what way is best for you and then go from there. So I did mix it up for the front section. I'm able to see a little bit better, and so I was able to just start with a 2-strand twist right at the root, and then go straight down. So I made sure to dip my ends, and that was that night, but this is the next morning and I'm just getting ready for the day. And I did try to add some perm rise on my ends, so you'll see that, but I went ahead and grabbed Mielle Organics Kalahari Melon and Aloe Vera weightless oil, and I put that throughout my scalp. This really helps with adding shine, and I don't know if I mentioned, but this collection smells really good. Okay, love that. And I love my hair. The results here look so good. And now I'm gonna switch it up because I saw this style that somebody did, which is a really simple look. So I'm just gonna pull up the front half and put it into a bun, and then you'll leave the ends out and just kind of fluff it out, shape it to your liking, and then go from there. And when I tell you cute, enjoyed that.
Actually, look like your real hair.
For real?
Yeah. It looks so natural. Yeah.
So that's good. Thank you. Really enjoy doing this look. I love my results. Make sure you check out Mielle Organics Kalahari Melon and Aloe Vera collection right now by visiting mielleorganics.com.